What's up guys, my name is ENS Ferrero. Welcome back to my channel. So today on this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I edit my videos on iMovie. Now, I used to edit hundreds of videos on this software and it helped me out during my YouTube journey. So I just wanna give a quick shout out to Adeus Life for requesting this video. So thank you Adeus Life for requesting this video. So what I would do when I export the footage is go to Finder, and I'm gonna import this footage and drag it all the way to the timeline. Or if you want to go to the import section, just click this and you will find some camera and equipment, some memories or something like that. So all we need to do is zoom in, click this part like this and hold it and drag it all the way there. Alright, we're in. So we're just gonna leave the beginning for now, but the rest we need to fix everything because this is the video that we exported. One of my good friends, also known as Brad, Gaming World 2000. I'm still trying to edit his second movie, and he's uploading consistently on Saturday and Sunday because he has school and he has joined the football team recently. We're just gonna edit his video because I never told him if I could edit one of his videos. But we're not here for that, so we're just gonna fix this. Alright, we're just gonna leave the beginning for now and we're gonna play it and see how it sounds. Okay, everything looks good. Okay, that was a good entrance.
What is poppin', my gamers? You didn't see that, pretend you didn't. Okay, so I've not made these for so long.
Okay, so we're just gonna fix the part when he says I have not made these for so long. So what all you need to do is click the video right here, you right click and you click split clip like this. There you go. And we're gonna find a part right here. You click the video again, right click and split the clip and press delete. Boom. Now we already got the first step. We're just gonna keep going until we fixed everything.
Made these for so long. I am sorry.
Okay, so we're just gonna find the part right here, click the video, right click, split the clip, and find the beginning of the part, right click, split the clip, and also right click and press delete. There you go. That's how I used to do it back in the day. Alright, so we're gonna split the clip like one more time and see how it goes. Alright, we're gonna drag it when he says yeet like that, and we're just gonna right click, split the clip. There you are. Now we just need to find school to start it. Right here, you click, right click, split the clip, and then delete. Alright guys, so I showed you how I edit my YouTube videos on iMovie. So on the next episode, I'm gonna teach you how to add some titles and some sound effects. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to smash that like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe today to become the Jugger, and I will see you guys next time.
Here we go.